Meet TRC, the Terminal Relay Controller. TRC is not just another chat application. It's the AI orchestrator for your team. We are combining the power of the IRC or the Internet Relay Chat with the power of CLI AI tools like Gemini CLI. So let's run the app and show you the demo. Okay, so I'll continue as common on this tab, and on this tab I'll just continue as John. Okay, so the first thing you can do is see the list of commands that we have. Just do /help, and you can see we have messaging commands. So these are just the normal messaging features like joining a channel, leaving a channel, switching, etc. What's important is the AI orchestration. So we have a couple of commands like pulse. So pulse will just check the health of your channels. So the pulse command will check the health of your channel and give you a history of what you'll be talking about and things like that. Then the analyze takes in an image, then analyzes the image and tells you about the image. If there's an error on the image, like on the screenshot, it will tell you about the error. The whisper command will help you create a private channel with you and the AI. Remember, TRC can be used by multiple users at the same time in the same channel. Okay, so Whisper will help you to create a private channel with you and the AI. Okay, then we have the main command, the TRC command. This is actually the command that lets you interact with the AI, so you can use TRC and ask it a question or pass it a command like edit this file, change this and that. Okay, so let's start with the pulse command. So you can say /pulse, /pulse. Okay, so it tells Gemini to give the channel history. So I pasted an error before about some local compose issues, and now it's telling us what is going on. Okay, so the history is saved in a SQLite database. Okay, so I have a screenshot in my project. I can just copy the path, then we can say analyze. We can say analyze, then pass in the path of the screenshot. Okay, then Gemini will go through the image, analyze it, tell you about the error, and things like that. Okay, nice. So that's the errors that are in the image and things like that. Okay, you can press enter. Now let's go to the next command. We have TRC. Now this is more of the main command. So we have the TRC. So let's use this tab for that. We can do /TRC based on the error in history. What risks are we facing? Then it will go through the history, see the error that we've been discussing about, and tell you something about it. Okay, so it's saying the memory risk is a blocker in development testing workflow due to the Docker Compose. You can see now it's talking about the Docker Compose. Okay, so there's so many things you can do with TRC, but because of time, let's just end it there. Okay, so apart from the AI side, you can use TRC to chat with your team. So there's so many commands that you can do, like clearing the terminals, like clear. Okay, if you don't want to continue the chat anymore, you can just log out from the chat. You can just say log out like that, then you log out. Then every user will be notified. Every user in the chat, will see that John has left. Okay, yeah. One thing to remember is TRC is a host it yourself tool. Okay, for now at least. So the future plans is to deploy it on maybe a Raspberry Pi or on your server or whatever. But for now, you have to get the repo, then run it yourself. Okay.